Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and we're going to tear down this phone today. This is Micromax X916 model, very old model from Micromax. You can see there is some issue with this LED torch which this phone has, which is already automatic on. ओवरऑल कंडीशन बहुत बुरा है फ़ोन का. बैक कवर भी ख़राब है. You can see it's a very basic phone, but it has a camera. Back panel टूट चुका है. There is something special with this phone. I'm going to show you now the modification that I've done previously. So the battery doesn't belong to this phone. Battery किसी और फ़ोन का है, but I just put it here just for purpose of working with this phone. और ये दो कार्डबोर्ड के पीस मैंने यहाँ पे लगाए हैं because in order to keep this battery in position. तो बैटरी निकाल देते हैं, कार्डबोर्ड के पीस भी निकाल देते हैं. यू कैन सी 2 सिम कार्ड स्लॉट, 1 मेमोरी कार्ड स्लॉट. यहाँ पे 6 स्क्रूज है. अपेरेंटली 2 ऑफ देम आर मिसिंग, सो हमें सिर्फ 4 ही स्क्रू निकालने पड़ेंगे. स्क्रू निकालने के लिए स्टार्ट करेंगे. So this is how we are going to remove the front panel of this phone. Apparently it is a plastic one, cheap quality plastic. आपको स्क्रीन दिखाई, ये यहाँ पे 2 सिम कार्ड दिख रहे हैं. एक सिम कार्ड का स्लॉट. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं माइक्रोमैक्स, बट इट इज़ अ मेड इन चाइना फ़ोन. स्टिकर पे आप देख सकते थे. अब कीपैड और स्क्रीन को बाहर निकालते हैं. अपेरेंटली देयर इज़ वन स्क्रू होल्डिंग दिस विद दिस ग्रेइश पैनल. तो हमें इस स्क्रू को निकालना पड़ेगा. इज समवॉट वियर्ड अरेंजमेंट. इन सम केसेस देयर इज़ अ थर्मल पेस्ट होल्डिंग अप द स्क्रीन टू द केस. बट यहाँ पे एक्चुअली एक स्क्रू है और कुछ परमानेंट अरेंजमेंट है यहाँ पे. तो आपको वायर्स दिख रहे हैं सोल्डर किए हुए. वायर हम कट नहीं कर सकते, सो आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू ट्राई टू रिमूव दैट स्क्रू. सो स्क्रू इज रिमूव. दिस इज आई वुड से द चिप एंड द स्क्रीन ऑफ दिस फोन. The LED torch is soldered. So you have speaker here. You can see the camera. It's a 0.3 megapixel. I guess this is the vibrator motor. And you can see dust accumulated in this phone. And I found this thing broken. I have no idea what this thing is. एक वायर निकल चुका है. If you know what this thing is, let me know in the comment section please. The 3.5 mm jack, the mini USB is there. We'll try to remove this vibrator motor. I think that is sticked, so it can be easily removable. Also, it is a magnetic part. See, it's a magnet. So that will be a permanent magnet motor. Okay, this is the camera of this phone. Let's see if I'm able to pull this off. No, it's not working. So we'll just let it stay as it is. You can see the ports here. The screen. And everything is pretty basic in this phone. Apparently Micromax, this phone is from Micromax, still it is made in China phone. So I think that we used to think that Micromax makes Indian phones. Let's rethink on that. Or maybe this is the very old phone, that's why the in the previous years of the company used to import this phone from China and relabel as Micromax and selling. Maybe that was the case. We'll just try to see. Now after applying or after attaching the battery with this cardboard piece, I'll be getting the always on LED. Yes, it is working. So the connection is right now, so there is nothing wrong with this phone. I will try to restart the phone. Let's see. We haven't messed up anything in this phone. We just teared it down and reassembled it. So I think there should not be any problem. Yes, it is working now with no issues. And now goes the back panel of this phone, and it was as ready as previously was there. Thank you.